viewers. I am back with yet another combat footage from South Lebanon and Gaza Strip. This one is of today and yesterday. You can see 17th and 18th. This one is, as it seems, is South Lebanon, and you could see the rocket firing some a few seconds ago, and that is the area effect of those rockets. These are unguided rockets that go to their target according to their angle, from the angle that you fire, indirect firing that is, and this seems to be a Israeli outpost. So the general targeting was required, and they have a faster rate of fire. So in that way, they became effective. In this footage, we can't see any much of towers. So in the other part of the video, uh, uh, it seems that the Israelis are using the cranes as a watchtower, because it's about more than a month of fighting, and so many anti-tank missiles has been fired that I think there is no solid structure available to Israel right now at that border that they can use as monitoring posts. So, in the other part of this video, you can see uh, in few seconds that they are using actually the cranes in this case. Now, those were unguided rockets. This is the anti-tank missile, and this is the wire guidance in that. And you can see these cranes use as observation posts, and this missile is fired toward them. The firer has the control of missile till its impact. Uh, there is a small wire that unwinds behind the missile, and till the impact of the missile, the firer has a joystick kind of control till it impacts the target. And as you can see, there are three cranes-like structure. We can't see. This is the tower. The previous ones were the three cranes, and we couldn't see that if personnel is on that cranes or only the equipment, observation equipment is there. Uh, this is a bigger tripod and a tower that is used for observation. This observation can also be used in the night as thermal cameras and guiding your air force to target the Hezbollah positions. These are the bigger type tripods for targeting the fixed structures. We have seen likewise videos in the previous days of war also. In this case, it's that's written on there actually warheads that they are 120 mortars. Generally, the smallest size of mortar is 60 then is 81 in NATO terminology, and then 120 and even I have seen Americans using 160 mortar in Vietnam also, but they are more heavy. For infantry, this one is the heaviest mortar that is standardized 120 Generally, the smallest of the mortar, 60 has a maximum range of about 1.5 kilometer. But this caliber, the range would be between 7 kilometer to 9.5 kilometers. So it's quite a range. They can fire from a safe distance, but they should have live intelligence about that. There are targets in front of them that if they fire on this angle and that will go to that distance, and there are targets there. It's not open places. So it's become very important that they know that if the distance especially is increased so much, that they actually know that where their fire is falling down. And they have to move very quickly from this site because the Israeli counter battery fire using firefinder radars can be pretty quick in response to that. This video is also latest today, 18 uh, date uh, on it, and this seems to be a bigger missile on a civilian type of vehicle with a launcher. Generally, they have tripod, even for rockets, they have tripod kind of launchers. And this missile's its size perhaps needs a bigger launcher. That's why they have built a specialized trail mounted launcher for it. Uh, as we have seen in the war, that these missiles have reached up till Tel Aviv. No matter what uh, uh, little destruction they can make, but there is a psychological effect in the war that they can target uh, till that point. So it seems either it's an old video or still Hamas is effective in the southern Gaza also of firing this kind of rockets with this much size and range. So that's all for today. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and uh, take care for now. Bye.